Hello. All right, so for the month of February, we're going to be talking about different types of learners, and then we're going to correlate that to different study strategies to hopefully help each learner learn a few new tips and tricks on how to study most effectively and efficiently. So for this week, we're going to be talking about visual learners. And you'll find that your child might be a visual learner if they have a very hard time focusing in a lecture, but that they can retain a lot of information by watching a video, or maybe they learn by doodling and drawing pictures. If that's the case, your child may be a visual learner. Visual learners often learn best using things like flashcards, pictures, videos. Those are ways for them to retain the information more effectively. Also, when a visual learner needs to be taking notes, it's important for the visual learner to be able to take notes by color coding those notes. They are able to understand what notes they're taking a lot better if they're able to color code, say, each definition or each date. And then another one, which is probably one of my favorites, is that when taking notes, within the notes, if there are areas where the child, say, is confused, have your child do like a yellow question mark. It's important for these different symbols and pictures to be different colors. So have them do like a yellow question mark for areas in their notes where they're confused. Or maybe a red exclamation point for areas that they find are really, really important. Maybe a purple star for those who for the areas where they understand it, where they feel like they've mastered this concept. So that really helps visual learners to kind of look over their notes and really be able to focus on where they need to work and what areas they need to study a bit more. And so that's the visual learner in a nutshell. I also in my blog have included some more information if you'd like to take a peek. And then next week we will be discussing more about the auditory learner. So I hope you come back and check that one out. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.